All right, people, welcome back. My name is Flockers Design, and this is take 3. Yeah, we're doing great. Happened the same thing the last time I made a video about this one, so this is gonna be great. Um, so what are we going to do today? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a new easy goal for Kofi widget. So this is easy goal for Kofi V2. The other one was V1. For the people who don't know what Kofi or Easy Go for Kofi is, Easy Go for Kofi is an alternative to Kofi's own widget. Now, I'm going to show you real quick what the difference is because, again, this is the third time me shooting this and I'm kind of tired of it. So here we go. Flashback. All right. This is not correct. Hold on. Let me go back. I'm not gonna, if I now made a mistake, it's too bad. I'm not gonna reshoot it once. I'm not gonna reshoot it again. All right, so this is a Kofi's original terrible widget. They have advanced settings, however, but that's only a color. Yeah, that's not advanced. So this is Kofi default. Now, what I did last year was to combine some brain power together with StreamerBot, and I made this one for StreamerBot instead to replace the awful Kofi one, right? So this one gives you way more freedom, but it needed an update. So today I am here with the update. So let me show you real fast what this widget is going to do after I reset some stuff. Hold on. Again, not reshooting a thing. I just need to make sure that is all done. There you go. All right. So let me show you the new widget real quick. Look up in the right corner right about now. There you go. This is the new widget. Now, the new widget also comes included with a donation alert. They work tightly together. So it's not that you have to do a whole lot of other stuff to make this somehow work. No, this works instantly together. I'm going to show you how to set it up. And I'm also going to show you how to combine this if you have something like this in the bottom, your lower third or whatever, right? Your most recent, how you can do that too. It should already be in there, but yeah, the commenting is not in the first time I'm showing you. But this is the version you guys going to get, but I'll make sure before I upload it to have the nice commenting on what does what. So let me show you real quick what this widget will be doing. I only have to enable this one. Enable. So yeah, again, look at the top. Let me also minimize it. You know what? I'm gonna close that. We don't need that. Look at the top and see what's gonna happen. So yeah, as you can see, everything updates real nice. It has nice animations. Don't worry, I will shoot it. I will run it one more time. But yeah, you can see the percentage is nicely animated. What took me a huge amount of time to do to figure out how to get it smooth, because it wasn't smooth at all. It was like instant cut, the same as the fluid that goes up. As you can see, the nation also goes up, fluid goes up, and then of course we also have the blood drips. Yeah, so that's kind of the widget, and I'm gonna show you how to set this up after we of course run it one more time. Why not? All right. So it's actually really simple to set up, and again, I will provide you with all the links down in the description below. And of course, I hope you know how Kofi works, or not Kofi, but how StreamerBot works, And hopefully you're already using Kofi because that makes it a lot easier. So all you have to do is delete that old thing. And otherwise, just import what we're doing and you're good to go. So down below, there is a link to the Kofi or the easy goal for Kofi V2 that will give you this pack right here. You will have a streamerbot import, and of course your donation alerts, a JSON file, what is really important, and a notification style overlay. Right? All right. So as always with these things, I highly recommend to put these kinds of folders in a folder where you keep all your stuff. So, because if you once move it, you have to redo some stuff to make it work again. This is why I use a portable OBS with a assets folder where I have all my assets and all that stuff. And if you don't, up to you, but sometimes it can break stuff. Right. So how are we installing this? Well, we're going to start with creating a new scene. So I'm going to go and create a new scene. It's going black for a second, but we'll be fine. I'm just going to add a display capture real fast. Display capture. This one. Yeah, sure. And then I'm going to do that. So it's same. There we go. All right. So let me also disable that. So we got our display capture, of course. You guys will not have that. That makes sense. But if I do that, you know, if I don't use this, you get that. We don't want that. So all you want to do right now is real simple. Open your Kofi folder, right? The easy goal. And the fastest way to even do this. So normally you would go add a browser source and do this and do that. And hell no. So what we're going to do is click on that, control click on the notification, and just slide them right in there. That's it. Just slide them right in. And you can see they show up. And yeah. So now what we're going to do is the next step. We're going to import the easy goal for Kofi version 2. So first things first, what we're going to do is, of course, open the StreamerBot. And with StreamerBot open, we are going to click on import and just drag that sucker in there and hit OK or import. And you will see it's right there. Now, of course, again, you will not have this. And you will also not need this because we do not need that reset. However, this is the part we do need. This is a Twitch announcement, but I'll explain this in a sec. All right. Do not touch this. Do not touch that. Do not touch that. Do touch this in the beginning because this is the next step. So what I want you to do is go in your folder and again, put it in a folder you want to keep it. And this is exactly why. If you fuck this up, it doesn't work. Go back one step, right? Then copy this location right here. Copy it. Yeah? After you copy that location, what you want to do is you want to go to execute code, double click on it. And this so from Kofi all the way back to C, you want to highlight that and you want to place that one we just copied. So, bam, there we go. Hit compile. Wait a second. And it should say successfully. If it doesn't, let me know down in the comments what issue you are getting or join the Discord. Also, information below. And that should be it. So now it is pointing to the right donation folder, the JSON file, and it should all work. So what we want to do is this one. You may or may not have. In my case, I do not have it here, but this would be like said, for example, we have a DDI text. I'm just going to call it the exact same name. So D name, right? And I'm just going to keep it that. And if you do have a, oh, it's not connected. Hold on. Disconnect, connect. Oh, hold on. There you go. Um, this will actually show the banner here below, right? Your most recent. So if you do that, you could actually do this, so you know how big it is. Well, we don't want it that big, so I'm just gonna make it like 30 on the scale. That's too low. Let's say 50. Let's do 70. It doesn't matter for now. It's just to showcase what it will do, right? Now what we're going to do, once we have all that set, you can have your audio play, of course. And technically, that is it. This will show a donation support thank you with the name and the donated amount in the chat. You can disable if you want. Talking about that, I may clear my chat. So technically, that is it. Now, we could test it, but I want to show you guys first. I am going here. I'm going to File, Open Folder, and I am going to Assets. I need to go to this one, Assets, and then Kofi, and then open this folder so we have the right one. And this is kind of where you are able to change some stuff. So, donation HTML. You don't want to do anything. Keep it. Don't touch it. However, this one is where you should be able to change stuff if I actually properly updated the file. I did not. Give me 2 seconds, guys, to fix that. All right, I fixed it. I was already wondering why my starting text didn't show up. You can see current goal, easy goal for Kofi V2. Yeah, that somehow didn't show up, but now it makes sense. So I also made some pointers there. I will clean the code up, of course. But this is where you can change your goal text. So for example, our goal is in this case a new PC build. I don't know. And here is where you can change the donation amount. So let's say our PC build is 5 grand. So we're going to do that. Then we just save it. So Control S. And once you saved it, you can see nothing happened. Don't worry. All you have to do is go back to this overlay, double click on it, and just refresh it once. And there you go. Now, again, don't touch the donation HTML. Also, don't touch this. Although I say do not touch this, you may want to, because this is, of course, the username for the donation alert. This is the amount that the user donated, and this is your current donation amount, right? So if your goal is met, so this one will then, of course, be 5,000, right? Or above. So if I refresh this, it may update automatically. See? So it's on 5,000. It is all the way full. So we have a new donation goal. All we have to do is go back into this JSON file and hit 0 and give it a while, and it goes back down. Now, I will make a reset one that will do this for you. I did make it for my other widget that sadly enough, I never released the reset. I do have the reset, but I have to change some codes to make this reset work with this widget. So that will be an update, and this time it will actually come out. don't worry. It's actually possible if you watch this video later, um, that the reset command is already in there. If so, if the reset command is already in there, and you want to reset it, all you have to do is exclamation mark um, eg dash reset. That's it. Or eg reset. The command will of course show up in the but um, I don't think it will be in there, but if you're watching later down the line, it's possible it's in there. But then you will see the import, and it will have like, let me duplicate this real quick. So if you do see this, easy goal. If you see this, well, except not like that, of course. If you see this, then make sure to check the trigger, because that is where you will find the command. That means you have the latest version with the reset built in, and then you can automatically reset it. But if not, like now, then all you have to do, go into the JSON file and just put this one back to 0, and you're good to go. Do I have to also reset these? You can, you don't have to. That's the only one that is important to reset. So let's say, yeah, that's technically it. So let's have a look. Let's see if it works. Now, I don't have Kofi connected to this. I'm not sure if this is going to work. We definitely are not going to have any sound, so I'm just going to disable that. And if everything went right, it should work. If not, it's also possible that I don't have Kofi connected on this one. What makes sense. But well, I guess we'll find out. Now, I am going to change the amount back to 200, so it makes it a little bit easier to see if everything is fully working. All right, so I am going to hit the test, and fingers crossed it works. And as you can see, it works. And I forgot to say, make sure to get the donation alert and line this red line, line this box line up with the bottom of this alert here. So now if we do this, you also see the alert, and yeah, it is working. I hope this installation was clear. For you, this will probably be way more clear, because I'm going to clean it up and then I'm going to package it and put it on for you guys. And now, as you can see, the test user here in the bottom, let me grab it a little higher so you guys can actually see it, actually updates, right? So if I do this one more time, it only grabs the wrong amount. For you guys, that would not be the problem. The problem is I have get amount and it needs to be amount. That is on me. So I'm just going to do this real quick. Now, if I do this, you can see test user donated 42 and 42. And now if I do it again, we should be over the 100. Yeah, or over the 200. We are at 210 bucks. I only need to maybe later on add that it can go over 100%. But I think that's a small thing, right? But yeah, I really do hope, guys, that this helped. That you enjoy this, because I really do like making these things, and I really do like this animation. And yeah, again, they work great together. It's a really simple install. I may have complicated the installation a little bit, but that is fine. Also, I have no idea why I have so many delays in here. Again, for you guys, this should be updated and cleaned out. You should not have all these small little issues right here. With that being said, guys, yeah. Oh, I do want to show you guys one more thing that I am working on. That kind of got this part rolling. Let me grab it here real quick. If I actually can find it, there you go. Yeah, just media player. This is one that probably will come pretty soon. As you can see, this one, you know, Looks familiar, huh? Yeah, exactly. But these ones are going to be in there too. Let me show you one real quick. I'm just gonna add a browser source real fast. 1920 by 1080. Remove that local file, and I just need to find where they are real quick. 2 seconds. All right, found them. So we are going to just take a new follower. I'm just gonna refresh and hit OK. As you can see, the new follower actually also just slowly fills up. So yeah, this is definitely something we are, I'm also working on, and I do want to kind of fine tune it. But yeah, I really do hope, guys, that this helped. And again, link down in the description below for this widget. And yeah, I will, uh, I will see you in the next one, guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.